This is the incredible story of Gandikota. The fort was first built in the 13th century by the Kakatiya dynasty. Later, it became the stronghold of the Pemmasani Nayaks. And for adventure lovers, Gandikota is a playground. From the rock climbing to the kayaking in the river, the thrill is real. Far away from the crowded cities where the winds echo through ancient cliffs and the stone whispers stories of kings and battles, lies a place forgotten by time but unforgotten once seen. Welcome to Lara's Ancient Tales. Today we journey to a place that is not just a destination. It is a tale carved by rivers, ruled by dynasties, and adored by travelers. This is the incredible story of Gandikota, a hidden gem in Andhra Pradesh. Gandikota gets its name from two Telugu words. Gandi means George and Kota meaning the fort. And true to its name, this fort sits on the edge of a breathtaking gorge where the Pennar River has carved deep canyons through Erramalla hills for millions of years. The fort was first built in the 13th century by the Kakatiya dynasty. Later, it became the stronghold of the Pemmasani Nayaks, who served under the Vijayanagara Empire. Gandikota witnessed centuries of prosperity, battles, and political intrigue. It was one of the most important forts in South India, resisting attacks from the Qutub Shahis, Bijapur Sultanate, and even the Mughals for years. But like all great empires, it too faded, leaving behind only legends and stone. They call it the Grand Canyon of India, and when you stand at the edge of that massive gorge, with the sun setting behind the rocks and wind in your hair, you will understand why. Inside the fort, you will find the ancient Ranganatha Swami temple, known for its rich carvings, and the majestic Madhavaraya temple with stunning architecture. Even in ruins, they radiate divine grandeur. And just steps away stands the Jama Masjid, with Islamic architecture blending into the landscape, a reminder of the diverse rulers who once called Gandikota home. So, what can you do here? Oh, so much. Climb the ancient fort walls and explore centuries old structures. Stand at the edge of the canyon and feel the earth's power. Camp under the stars with the George as your backdrop. Take a coracle ride on the Pennar River. Click stunning photos. Every frame here is postcard perfect. Explore the mysterious granaries and watchtowers inside the fort. And for adventure lovers, Gandikota is a playground. From the rock climbing to the kayaking in the river, the thrill is real. Are you ready to plan your trip? If yes, then this information is for you. Gandikota is located in the Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh, and the nearest railway station is Jammala Madugu, which is 18 kilometers away from here. By road, if you travel, it is about 5 to 6 hours from the Bengaluru or Hyderabad by car, and it is the best time to visit in October to February, where the weather will be cool and the skies are very clear. And the timings for this fort is it will open from morning 8 a.m. to evening 5:30 p.m. and there is no any entry fees over here. You can stay at nearby guest houses or even better, a tent near the George for a once in a lifetime experience. Gandikota is not just a location, it is an emotion. It is the silence of ruins that still speak, the strength of stone that has survived empires, and the beauty of nature untouched by the time. If this tale of mystery, history, and the natural beauty fascinated you, make sure to hit the like button, share this story, and most importantly, subscribe to Lara's Ancient Tales. Because every stone has a story, and we are here to tell them all. Until next time, keep exploring and keep wondering.